students, today we are going to celebrate the 74th Independence Day of our country, August 15th, 1947, which is most auspicious day for us. This should be celebrated combinedly with the students, teacher, everything, but unfortunately for COVID-19, this year we are unable to celebrate in an auspicious way. Anyway, whatever it may be, we cannot avoid to celebrate the Independence Day as it is so important for us. We must hoist the flag. We must sing the glory of our national anthem. We must regard our tricolor. My dear students, we should not forget the sacrifice of the great men like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Lal Bahadur Shastri, and thousands of others who sacrificed their life for the freedom fight. Those who fought neglecting their own personal life to bring freedom to the country. Freedom was brought for the benefit of future generation, not for those fighters. So we should never forget those great fighters. Rather, we should be inspired by them, their work, and we should prepare ourselves to serve our country, to protect the independence, the freedom, the democracy of our nation. This year, this corona has not captured only India, our country, but all over the world. Everywhere there is hue and cry for this corona. Our government has prescribed some guidelines to fight against this grievous disease. We should follow it. You know that we can save ourselves. We can drive this disease from our country by maintaining those guidelines. These guidelines says that we should always use mask, repeatedly wash hands, and should try to maintain distancing, social distancing, that is 2 meters away from others. We should not get into any crowd.
Good morning everyone, my dear parents, teachers and my loving students. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Each year we celebrate this day with full of energy and enthusiasm. Every year in our school we celebrate this day in the presence of each and everyone associated with the school. And you students play a very big role in the celebration. But this 74th Independence Day we are celebrating in the school without the participation of our loving students, because the whole world is suffering from a very pandemic situation. A very tough situation because of this COVID-19. But amid this COVID-19, we all are celebrating this without your presence. That's why the impact may not be like this as it used to be every year. And we have to be very positive, and I hope very soon we will recover from this situation and we will celebrate our 75th Independence Day together. Thank you. Jai Hind.
I wish all a happy Independence Day. We are celebrating the 74th Independence Day online. We all are having a kind of fear in our mind due to the prevailing pandemic, COVID-19. So let me read an inspiring poem by Rabindranath Tagore. Where the mind is without fear, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments, into that heaven of freedom. Into that heaven of freedom, my father led my country away. So, in this poem, it has been emphasized to have a fearless mind. You find all of us so that we are free, we are in freedom, but freedom in real sense means freedom in our mind, freedom of thought. So, we have a kind of unseen slavery in our mind. That is the reason you find the motivational speakers, they motivate millions of people. The star, the film star, the cricketers, they have millions of followers in the social media. But they are frustrated in their home. There is no one to motivate their mind. That is the reason, my dear students, you should have a very strong and firm mind, which is without fear. You should not have fear of examination. You should not have fear of hour-long online classes. You should not have fear of the syllabus, the curriculum. You should not have fear of achievements. You should not have fear of competition. Your mind should be fearless. How it is possible? It is possible only believing in the self. Yes, I can do it. Yes, I can accomplish. Never say no to anything in your life. You should have that winning spirit. And that will make you fearless. Nowadays, you are staying at your home. You have enough time to spare to develop creativity in various aspects of your life, and you can engage yourself in many extracurricular activities like music, like dance, like speech, many more things. So, I hope you all are enjoying in your home. Lastly, I will say, all should take an oath that I will never fear in future. I will have a fearless mind. I will be brave. I will be strong. I will believe in myself, my spirit, my soul. As in Srimad Bhagavad Gita it is said, Abhayam Satpasam Suddhi Jnana Yoga Vyavasthiti. That means for knowledge, fearlessness is necessary. So hoping that you all will be fearless and accomplish whatever you like in your life. Joy.
Good morning, everyone. May the glory of independence be with you forever. On this special day, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Independence is the celebration of freedom that we won from the British rule on 15th August 1947. This year, India is going to celebrate the 74th Independence Day. We should celebrate this day with a great spirit and enthusiasm without letting our motherland down during this pandemic. Independence should reflect in our mind and thoughts. During these 73 years, our country have experienced many progress from agriculture to industry. On the other hand, these 73 years have shown many floods, droughts, poverties, etc. And this year, our country as well as other countries are fighting against COVID-19, or you can say it coronavirus. Most of the countries have seen many cases of coronavirus and many are experiencing difficulties in these situations. Though we are celebrating Independence Day, but we are not free from COVID-19. This COVID-19 is reminding us that if we want to free from its claws, we have to be one. As we know, our national heroes, our freedom fighters have fought against the Britishers to give us freedom. So now it's our turn to fight with the Chinese virus to be free again. So let's be one. As we know, united we stand, divided we fall. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Once again, happy Independence Day to all of you. Thank you.
Good morning, India, and I wish all Indians a very happy 74th Independence Day. This day is of great importance. This day is celebrated all over India with great pomp and show to commemorate India's independence. So on this great and auspicious day, let's take decisions to value our nations, its culture, its traditions, its languages, and so on and so forth. We never forget the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters. Thousands laid down their lives so that we can celebrate this day. Finally, I would like to conclude, अनेकता में एकता हमारी शान है, इसीलिए मेरा भारत महान है. Proud to be a part of IDM family, proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind.
ସୁପ୍ରଭାତ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ 74ତମ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତା ଦିବସର ଅନେକ ଅନେକ ଶୁଭେଚ୍ଛା ଓ ଅଭିନନ୍ଦନ। ଆଜି ଆମ ପାଇଁ ଏକ ମହାନ ଦିବସ ଅଟେ। ଏହି ପବିତ୍ର ଦିବସରେ ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଶପଥ ନେବା ଯେ ସବୁ ଧର୍ମ, ସଂସ୍କୃତି ଓ ଭାଷାକୁ ସମ୍ମାନ ଜଣାଇ ଆମ ଭାରତ ବର୍ଷକୁ ସୁନ୍ଦର କରି ଆମେ ଗଢ଼ି ତୋଳିବା। ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ। ଜୟ ହିନ୍ଦ, ଜୟ ଭାରତ, ଭାରତ ମାତା କି ଜୟ।
Good morning. Wish you all a happy Independence Day. On this auspicious occasion, we should feel proud that we are a member of this independent India. Freedom never see shape and size. It is enjoyable for everyone. Now we are in free India. We are enjoying all our freedom. But still then there are some evil things in our society. We should fight unitedly to eradicate it from our society. That is corruption, illiteracy, superstition, and whatever we are doing against the women, all these things we should abolish from our society. We should fight unitedly and make India free out of all this evilness. Once again, I wish you a happy and prosperous Independence Day.
आज सर्वप्रथमे आजिर एही पवित्र दिन रे समस्तंकु स्वाधीनता दिवस रो अनेक अनेक शुभेच्छा। आजिर एही पवित्र दिन रे आम भारतवर्ष स्वाधीन होइथिला। अनेक स्वाधीनता संग्रामी बलिदान जोगु आमे स्वाधीन देश पाइछु। सुन पिले, सेथिपाई तुमे माने हेला कालीर भविष्यत, जे आजिर शिशु से कालीर भविष्यत। सेथिपाई पाठ पढ़िबा संगे संगे बुद्धिमान ज्ञानी हेबा संगे संगे निजर चरित्र गठन प्रति ध्यान दियो, तेबे जाई कि आम ए देश गोटे उन्नत और समृद्ध देश रे परिणत हेबो।
Morning students, happy Independence Day to you all. I hope you all are fine at your home. Students, as we know that today is Independence Day and our India got freedom for the British government. So students, I am here because to share something encouraging word for you. My dear students, as we know that we got this freedom for only because of freedom fighters. Freedom fighters that we know very well, Mahatma Gandhi and Bhagat Singh, Jawaharlal Nehru and so many of freedom fighters. And because of their passion, because of their confidence, because of their dedications, we got this. So students, I want to share something, that is, you should have also confident, courageous, passion, determination to achieve your ambition. And students, if you have this, then obviously we will get a good result in your life. If you want to become a scientist, if you want to become an IAS officer, then it will be happen. But it depend upon your determination, confidence, and your willpower. So as a teacher, I'm just encouraging you students, just go ahead with your ambitions. Everything will fulfill. That our freedom fighters who raised their voice for us because of this wonderful day, and we independent. So like that in your life also, if you try your best, then result will be best. Happy Independence Day to you all. Thank you.
सुप्रभात मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, सूचना मिस की तरफ से आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। वैसे तो सभी को मालूम है आज वही दिन है जिस दिन हमारे देश भारत को अंग्रेजों की गुलामी से आजादी मिली थी, पर यह आजादी आज हमें पूरा नहीं मिला ऐसे लग रही है। आज हम आजाद होके भी आजाद नहीं हैं, क्योंकि हमारे देश को और एक महामारी जो अपना गुलाम बना के रखा है वो है कोरोना महामारी। तो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, तब तो वो वीर थे जो अपनी जान की बाजी लगाकर हमारे देश को अंग्रेजों से मुक्ति दिलाए थे, पर आज भी हमारे छोटे छोटे वीर हैं जो हमारे बच्चों के रूप में हैं, वो भी घर में रह के अपना बचपन दे के इस कोरोना महामारी से जूझ रहे हैं। तो बच्चों, मेरी आप सबको यह निवेदन है कि इस महामारी को हमारे देश से जड़ से मिटाने के लिए आप सभी को घर में रहना होगा और स्वस्थ रहना होगा। ठीक है, धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
Teachers, parents and my dear students, a very happy Independence Day to all. Today is a very significant day for every Indian as we pay our gratitude towards the great leaders and freedom fighters of India who pay their blood to protect us, pay their blood to bring freedom to us. Unfortunately, we are experiencing that same situation again. This is the time for us to show our love towards our country just by obeying the rules that WHO declared to fight against corona. So, please stay at home, stay protected, and help this nation to fight against corona and get its freedom once again. जय हिंद।
आज के इस 74वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस के शुभ अवसर पर मैं हमारे आईडीएम स्कूल के प्रधानाध्यापक जी, डायरेक्टर मैम, सर, शिक्षिकागण, शिक्षकगण और विद्यार्थियों को ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ। आज का यह दिन हमारे लिए किसी त्योहार से कम नहीं है। 15 अगस्त 1947 आज ही के दिन हमारा देश अंग्रेजों के 200 वर्षों की गुलामी से आज़ाद हुआ था और इन्हीं आज़ादी को दिलाने के लिए हमारे देश के स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों ने बलिदान दिए थे। उनके बलिदान को याद करने के लिए और हमारे देश को प्रगति की राह पर ले जाने के लिए हमें यह दिन बड़े ही हर्षोल्लास के साथ मनाना चाहिए। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Good morning everyone. Wish you all happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Namaskar. Wish you a very happy Independence Day to all of you. जय हिंद, जय भारत।
मेरे सहकर्मी वृंद और प्यारे प्यारे छात्र छात्रागण, आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक अभिनंदन। तो बच्चों, इस अवसर पर मैं आपको एक छोटी सी पंक्ति कहना चाहती हूँ और ये पंक्ति है, अनेकता में एकता ही हमारी शान है, इसीलिए मेरा भारत देश महान है। आन देश की शान देश की हम संतान है, 3 रंगों से रंगा तिरंगा अपनी ये पहचान है। तो बच्चों, आजकल के जो आप छोटे बच्चे हो वो आने वाले कल के भविष्य हो, इसीलिए आप सभी हमारे देश की शान हो, बान हो, मान हो, इसको आप उसका इज्जत करना, उसको आप सम्मान करना, आपके हाथों में हमारा देश का भविष्य है। जय हिंद, भारत माता की जय।
आओ झुककर सलाम करें जिसमें हमारा वो मुकाम आता है, किस कदर खुशनसीब हैं वो लोग, खून जिसका वतन में काम आता है। Hello everybody, I am Harishankar Sahu, wishing to you all a happy Independence Day. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.